activity, it's very helpful for the students because it brings out their creativeness and their intelligence, because it's also a science invention and experiment. So it trains our mind to think about what's gonna happen, and also it's also beneficial for us students because it can help us find out what we really want in our life, because the science thing, it can make us think if we want to be a scientist or not. And this is a really good learning technique for the students, because it's not only for the grades, but it's also fun. It's a fun thing to learn.
I just experienced the procedures. I learned more about our invention. Though it's more of an experiment, but it can still count as an invention. But I really enjoyed it. I really like it. I like our invention.
I'm from Team B, and our invention was not really more of an invention. It was like an arts and crafts, but it was really creative of my groupmate to come up with it.